Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an everyday kind of glam look with a bowed lip, and you can pair this with any lip look that you personally choose. An eye look like this goes with any lip color. That's amazing. This look is super easy, super simple, put together. Each eye is like 2 minutes, so 4 minutes for the entire eye look. Eyeshadows basically, and I'm using the Profusion Starlet palette for this tutorial, and I recently bought a bunch of new Profusion and I just couldn't wait to share it with you guys. And that's the Profusion eyeshadow primer, which is amazing, and Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe loose strawberry powder to catch the fallout that we most definitely are going to have. I'm going to take this cool tone brown, and it's in the last column, and it's just a cool tone brown, so any brown. You could use warm brown if you want, completely up to you, but I'm going to layer that into my crease and my outer corner, and I'm just going to take and go through that for a few passes just to build it up a little bit. And I'm not taking it much higher than my orbital bone. I'm using that as a guide for my crease. When I'm doing a look that's kind of quick and easy and out the door kind of look, this is totally my vibe, and I will always use my orbital bone for a guide and just quickly use just a few shades. Also in that last column, the first shade in the very last column, which would be the last shade in the first row, very beautiful shimmery champagne shade. I'm also wetting my brush to foil that to prevent some fallout from that as well, but it's also going to make it appear more metallic and have more staying power on the lid, and it's just beautiful. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the crease shade I used and doing that outer corner. I'm showing fallout there, and just blend that a little bit, add a little bit of color. And then first row, first shade is this vanilla shade matte, and I'm using that on a big fluffy shader brush, and I'm using that as the brow bone highlight, and I'm going to also highlight with that and blend down the edges of the crease. And I'm going to take the crease brush and blend the edges of the crease shade with the brow bone so they all just mesh and marry well together and they look seamless. Love that. So next up, the second shade in the first row is this beautiful goldeny peach shade. It's light, it's beautiful. I take that on the same shader brush I used on the lid and put a little on my brush, and I also wet that as well. So I foiled that for the inner corner, and I just like this nice little peachy pop of highlight in my inner corner. It's really pretty. I'm going to tie line with the LaColors gel eyeliner, and this is the L'Oreal liquid eyeliner. And I'm just going to do a quick wing with this, very quick. They're not even perfect, and I only take my line in about halfway, and because I tight lined as well, so I just didn't feel the need to go all the way in. And I'm using a nude eyeliner in the waterline to continue to open up my eyes, and I use very little mascara on the lower lash line as well because I want my eyes to be open and just glam. And for lips, I'm using this Cloud Pout from WetnWild, and this is a Marshmallow lip color, and I am slightly disappointed in the shade. It does not come off as dark as I would have liked it. It's actually way more brighter on the lips than it is in the packaging, and the consistency of it is very nice and smooth and creamy, a velvety kind of feel. It is matte. It is really nice, but it does transfer and move around because it is so creamy, and the staying power is not great. So just so you know. So I set my makeup there and the look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy everyday glam using Profusion. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Thank you so much for watching,